In our Laravel project, we are facing the DNS issue. So how to solve this in Laragon? So check our folder. So everything is here. So this is our Laravel application. So Laragon failed to show our DNS issue. So how to solve this? Just click the Laragon application page. Here you click right side and click Apache and just click the site enable. Just click here, delete all auto, delete done. Okay, just click the stop and again click start. So everything is coming here. So wait and reload this page. Sorry, not come. So here you can try localhost. Just click here. Sorry, localhost is not HTTP, direct hit. So issue is come with HTTPS. So we have to solve this. Just click HTTP and solve here true. So I now hit here. So in all Laravel, just cookies or this type of cookies you have to delete. Just click. So here I'll delete. Another cookie is located in storage framework. So I'll delete. Also session I'll delete. Click the testing, no testing, view, all view delete. So here we have done. Also delete this. Click app, that is blank now. Okay, fine. Now again hit this URL. Anything mistake? Trust.test. Okay, fine. So we are checking what is the issue here. So issue is getting now. So create. We are following the another solution. Just click the file manager and click the view. So go the Windows, go the system 32, go the driver. So go the etc and go the click the host and open the visual code. So here we put our new domain name. Just click here and paste here, same root, and put your name, domain name, trust. So present our domain is not getting. So when we put here save Ctrl S or file manager, click the save, showing this, just click the retry as admin and comes the Windows command procedure. Just click yes. I hope it will work now. So when you come here and check, this is my working. So I stop this. So it will work fine now. Thank you.